In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of exporting your contacts on Twitter. Follow these simple steps to back up your valuable data. To begin, open the Twitter app on your device. Next, tap your profile photo to access the menu options. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Navigate to your account and tap on it. Select Download an archive of your data to initiate the export process. When prompted, enter your password and confirm the action. You will then be required to verify your identity, typically through a code sent to your email or phone number. After successful verification, tap the Request Archive button to proceed. Twitter will now begin preparing your data for download, which may take a few days. Once the archive is ready, you will receive a notification prompting you to download a zip file containing your Twitter archive. By following these steps, you can ensure that your contacts and data are securely backed up. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.